Welcome to Digital Mint. In today's video, we are going to dive into two essential terms in the world of cryptocurrency: cold wallets and spot wallets. If you're new to crypto, these might sound a little confusing, but by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what they are, how they work, and most importantly, their advantages and disadvantages. Before we compare cold wallets and spot wallets, we first need to understand the basic idea of a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is simply a tool that allows you to store, send, and receive digital assets securely, but not all wallets are the same. Let's start with cold wallets. A cold wallet is a type of crypto wallet that is not connected to the internet. Because it stays offline, it is much harder for hackers to access. Cold wallets can come in different forms, such as hardware wallets, paper wallets, or even devices that are kept completely offline. The biggest advantage of a cold wallet is security. Since it is offline, it protects your assets from online threats, phishing attacks, and exchange hacks. However, there are also disadvantages. Cold wallets can be less convenient. You cannot quickly trade or access your funds because you need to connect the device or use backup keys. In short, a cold wallet is ideal for long-term investors who want maximum security and are not planning to trade frequently. A spot wallet, on the other hand, is the type of wallet you usually find on cryptocurrency exchanges. It is always online and directly connected to the internet. In a spot wallet, you can deposit, withdraw, and trade cryptocurrencies instantly. This makes it very convenient for active traders. The main advantage of a spot wallet is speed and accessibility. You can react to the market quickly, buy or sell at any moment, and manage your portfolio without delay. But there are also risks. Because a spot wallet is always online, it is more vulnerable to hacking, phishing attempts, or even an exchange shutting down. In short, a spot wallet is perfect for people who trade often and need quick access, but it should not be used to store large amounts of crypto long-term. And that wraps up today's video. I hope this helped you understand the differences between cold wallets and spot wallets. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Mint for more crypto insights.